Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to delete TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the pop-up menu. Tap on Manage Account. You will see the Deactivate or Delete Account option. Tap on it. Here, you can choose any option provided by TikTok or tap on Skip from the top right of your screen. Then, tap on the small circle. And Continue button will be visible to you. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Continue button from the bottom of your screen. Here it will ask you to verify your account, and it will ask you to provide the code that is sent to your phone number. Once you provide it, tap on Delete Account. Again tap on Delete. And you will delete your TikTok account. Remember, you should not open your TikTok account for 30 days, otherwise, TikTok won't delete your account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to delete your TikTok account. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.